When it comes to choosing a VPN, it often comes down to what's more important to you: premium features or getting the most value for your money. So, let's talk NordVPN versus Mullvad VPN. Which one should you choose, especially if you're looking for the best features or the best deal? Let's start with NordVPN. It's one of the top dogs in the VPN world, with an impressive list of features, making it ideal for someone who's looking for premium quality. First, we've got to talk about the security. NordVPN offers strong encryption with its NordLynx protocol, which is based on WireGuard technology. This makes it fast and reliable. It also has a kill switch, DNS leak protection, and Cyber SEC, which blocks ads and malicious sites. If security is your top priority, NordVPN has you covered. Next, we have server options. NordVPN boasts over 5,400 servers in 59 countries. It's hard to beat this level of coverage, especially if you need access to content around the globe. Whether you're in the US, Europe, or Asia, NordVPN has servers with great speed, perfect for streaming or gaming. The fourth thing to consider is its app ecosystem. NordVPN supports all major platforms: Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and Linux. Plus, it allows up to 6 simultaneous connections, which is great for families or small businesses. The user interface is also clean and easy to navigate, which makes it beginner-friendly. However, despite these premium features, NordVPN comes with a higher price tag. And that's where Mullvad VPN comes in. Mullvad is built with a very different philosophy in mind: value over features. It's known for being simple, transparent, and incredibly affordable. It's one of the cheapest VPNs out there, with a flat rate of just €5 per month. No complicated tiers or additional costs. What you see is what you get. Mullvad also emphasizes privacy more than most other VPNs. Unlike NordVPN, Mullvad doesn't require an email address to sign up, just a randomly generated account number. This truly sets it apart for users who are privacy conscious and want to minimize their online footprint. It also accepts various anonymous payment methods like cash and cryptocurrency, which further strengthens its privacy-first approach. Now, let's talk performance. Mullvad has a smaller server network than NordVPN, with around 800 servers in 38 countries. This isn't as extensive, but it's still more than enough for basic use, especially if you're just looking to surf the web anonymously or get around regional restrictions. Mullvad also uses WireGuard, which is one of the fastest and most secure protocols out there. So while NordVPN might have more server options, Mullvad holds its own in terms of performance and security. However, the trade-off is clear: Mullvad doesn't have the same range of extra features as NordVPN. You won't find ad-blocking tools or specialized streaming servers. And while NordVPN allows for 6 simultaneous devices, Mullvad only allows 5, though for most users, that's still plenty. So, which one's the better option? It really depends on what you're looking for. If you need the best premium features, server options, and a polished experience, NordVPN should be your go-to. But if you're more of a bargain hunter who values privacy and a simple, no-nonsense approach, Mullvad is a fantastic choice. But before you make your decision, here's something you might want to consider. I've tried both NordVPN and Mullvad myself, and while both of them have their merits, there's another option that I think does it better for the goal we're discussing here. If you want to take advantage of a VPN with even better features and pricing, go ahead and check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, it's worth checking out.